What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So something crazy happened, and I went and bought myself my dream truck. I went and traded my black Ram, and I bought myself a 2018 Mega Cab Cummins. And she got really dirty, as you can see in that remote start part of the video. She got really dirty on the way home. It started raining, and we had about a 6-hour drive. So it's the Mega Cab. So I'm gonna take you around the truck right quick. I'll start from the front. It's got the color matching front bumper, parking sensors, fog lights, the color matched grille. It's got the blacked out headlights, and just your normal hood, I think, with the gills in the side there. Has towing mirrors, but I have them down right now because I'm not that kind of guy. Just kidding, I am. I'll put them back up soon. It's a turbo diesel 6.7 liter Cummins. Came with running boards, which is awesome. I wanted one with running boards. Got 20-inch black wheels, which I noticed something, which I'll mention a little bit later. And the interior, don't mind the mess, it's a little dirty already. Instead of wood green, it has the silver dark gray look to it. And no silver here, it's black. Steering wheel's all black. It has cloth in the center and then leather on the outside. If we hop on in here, it still has the screen and towing package. It's got engine brakes, tow haul, parking sensors, front and rear, heated steering wheel and heated seats. This thing uses a key, which I like better. And the drive shift is here, and it's not a knob. It is a 4x4. Does not have the fancy stereo system. You come to the back here, door panel looks the same. Plenty of room. I mean, this is just, it's a Mega Cab, so you kind of know how big it is, and I'll probably do a more detailed video yet. It's got the bed liner in it. It's got the blacked out third brake light, which I love. It's got the rear sliding window. It's got it's fully ready for gooseneck and fifth wheel. Already has a bed liner in it. Color matched rear bumper with parking sensors, blacked out emblems, 4x4. On this wheel here, there is a lug nut missing. Not sure where that thing is or how it came off, but I will definitely check all of these and make sure they're all tight. And this side looks the same as the other side. So yeah, I will give you a more detailed video coming soon. I figured I would just show you for now. Today's a miserable day outside. It's windy and stuff. I guess I could crank it up for you guys. Since it actually uses a key, you have to get in. Well, actually I could remote start it. So quiet. I'm guessing I can turn it off as well with this button. So yeah, there's a short video, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.